Okay, we have the dog we're making. We've got this cut and sanded. So we're going to line this up where it goes. You're going to lay your neck piece on here. This is the B piece we cut out. We're going to be gluing that to this outer piece for the back. We're going to mark over here and down here for this. And we've marked it here to where that's going to go. So now what we want to do is glue this piece to this piece. You're going to line this up where it goes. Take your time, make sure you get it set where it needs to be. Tighten it down. And we'll let this set for an hour or two so it sets up. Also, we've got our bottom part of the mouth is all glued together, waiting for the next step for that.